Alex Mihai presents the Ghost Fridge.
Angie, can you bring me an orange juice from the fridge, please? Of course, Olivia. I can't reach the fridge. It's running from me. You're unbelievable. How can you think that a fridge is running from you? Go and see with your own eyes. Oh my fucking god. You were right, Angie. The fridge is running from us. I'm scared. Me too. Let's call Michael. Good idea, Michael. Come as fast as you can to Olivia.
Okay, but keep yourselves hat until I arrive there.
Oh my fucking god. You pervert. Come faster. We are scared.
Hello, girls. What's the problem?
You were fast. Go to the fridge and you will say.
I have a solution. Let's run. This movie was presented by Alex Mihai.